Before you make a decision on Vida Glow, US, Vida Glow Pty Limited, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for the entire video because I'm going to dive deep into how this product stacks up against its competitors and whether or not it's really worth your time and money. First things first, Vida Glow offers a range of beauty and wellness products with a focus on skin, hair, and overall wellness. They're known for their unique combination of natural ingredients and science-backed formulas. What really sets them apart is their strong focus on collagen supplements, which are a key player in many of their products. In a crowded market of beauty supplements, Vida Glow makes bold claims about its collagen products. But the question is, do they live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Next thing to know is that Vida Glow's products are designed to be accessible for a variety of needs. They target everything from anti-aging to hair growth and skin hydration. But here's where it gets interesting. While their formulas are effective, there's a reason why some people prefer competitors like Vital Proteins or Skin Aid. The main difference? Vida Glow's formulations are often more niche, focused specifically on skincare and beauty, rather than general wellness. This can be a pro or con, depending on your needs. If you're looking for a multi-benefit product, you might want to consider other options. Now let's talk about the quality of their ingredients. Vida Glow takes pride in using natural sources for their collagen peptides. They use fish-derived collagen, which is one of the best forms of collagen when it comes to absorption. However, it's important to note that fish collagen isn't vegan-friendly, and if you have allergies or dietary restrictions, this could be a deal breaker. On the other hand, their competitors like Vital Proteins use a blend of marine and bovine collagen, which might be more versatile for different customers. The fourth thing you should know is about their customer service and reputation. Vida Glow is generally praised for their customer care, offering a pretty straightforward returns policy. But, like any company, they have their share of mixed reviews. Some customers praise their efficient shipping and friendly support team, while others mention issues with product consistency or packaging. It's worth keeping this in mind when ordering, especially if you're someone who relies on consistency in your beauty routine. Another thing worth mentioning is the cost. Vida Glow's products, especially their collagen supplements, tend to be on the higher end of the price spectrum compared to competitors like Neocell or further affordable brands like Organifi. However, they justify this price tag with the premium, clean ingredients they use, as well as their focus on efficacy. If you're someone who values top-tier products, it might be worth the extra spend. But if budget is a concern, it's important to weigh whether the benefits are worth the premium. Next thing to know is their packaging. Vida Glow takes packaging seriously, offering sleek, minimalistic designs that feel high-end. This attention to detail definitely makes you feel like you're getting a luxury experience. But this can also mean that you're paying a little more for the brand aesthetics rather than just the product inside. Many competitors like Vital Proteins use more practical packaging which keeps the costs down, so if simplicity matters more to you, you may want to consider those alternatives. Finally, let's talk about the taste and overall experience. One of the standout features of Vida Glow is that their products, particularly the collagen powders, actually taste good. A lot of collagen supplements can taste overwhelmingly fishy, but Vida Glow has managed to mask that flavor with flavors like tropical fruits or berry blends, making it easier to incorporate into your daily routine. This is a big win compared to some other collagen brands that fall short on taste. If you're seriously considering giving Vida Glow, US, Vida Glow Pty Limited, a try, don't forget that you can get the best offer and even try it for free by clicking the first link in the description. They've got some exclusive deals that you won't want to miss. So, if you're ready to try Vida Glow, US, Vida Glow Pty Limited, and see if it lives up to the hype for yourself, click the first link in the description for a special trial offer and exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Don't wait, check it out now.